Ola Electric launches indigenous Shakti BESS powered by 4680 Bharat cells. Ola Electric has announced the rollout of its first product named Shakti from its Gigafactory in Krishnagiri, Tamil Nadu. This development marks a major milestone for the company as it scales up its indigenous 4680 Bharat cell platform. With this launch, Ola Electric officially enters India's residential battery energy storage system market. The move also signals Ola's expansion beyond electric vehicles into the broader energy solutions space. Ola Shakti is India's first residential BESS that is fully designed, engineered, and manufactured domestically. The system is powered by Ola's indigenous 4680 Bharat cells developed at its Gigafactory. The product is positioned as a portable, on-demand energy solution for Indian households, farms, and businesses. It aims to redefine how consumers access, control, and consume electricity. Ola Electric stated that the rollout reflects years of sustained investments in research and development. It also highlights the company's focus on localization, advanced manufacturing, and supply chain resilience. According to the company, Ola Shakti delivers automotive-grade safety and high efficiency. It also offers zero running and maintenance costs compared to conventional power backup solutions. According to the company, Ola Shakti delivers automotive-grade safety and high efficiency. It also offers zero running and maintenance costs compared to conventional power backup solutions. Unlike traditional lead-acid inverters or diesel generators, Ola Shakti features an instant 0-millisecond changeover time. It operates across a wide input voltage range of 200 volts to 240 V, protecting appliances from voltage fluctuations. The batteries used in Ola Shakti are spill-proof and IP67 rated. They have been tested for dust, water, and harsh monsoon conditions, making them suitable for Indian environments. Built on Ola's core technology platform, the system enables intelligent energy management. Users can monitor battery status and energy flow in real time through connected systems. The platform can learn usage patterns and automatically optimize energy consumption. It also provides actionable insights to help users reduce electricity costs and improve efficiency. Ola Shakti is available in 4 configurations ranging from 1.5 kWh to 9.1 kWh. These configurations are designed to meet varying power requirements across homes, farms, and small businesses. The system is capable of powering appliances such as air conditioners, refrigerators, induction cookers, farm pumps, and communication equipment. Charging times can be as fast as 2 hours. At full load, the system can provide backup power for up to 1.5 hours, depending on the configuration. This makes it suitable for both emergency backup and planned energy usage. Ola Electric has positioned Shakti as a foundational product for India's energy independence journey. The company views it as a step towards clean, decentralized, and on-demand energy access. From a strategic perspective, this launch significantly expands Ola Electric's addressable market. It also aligns the company with long-term trends in renewable energy and storage. The product is currently open for reservations on Ola Electric's website with a booking amount of 999 rupees. Market participants will closely watch adoption trends and future capacity scaling plans. Overall, the rollout of Ola Shakti represents a major diversification milestone for Ola Electric. It strengthens the company's position not just as an EV manufacturer, but as an integrated energy solutions provider.